In this video, I'm about to show you how to transfer data from iPhone to laptop. After the connection is established, switch to the manager option on the main interface. On the left-hand menu, select the file you want to transfer, such as photos. After that, click on the export button and then select a location to save on your computer. The Windows Explorer will be launched after recognizing the device. If it does not, you have to do it manually by going to the Start menu, or you can go to the taskbar. Now go to this PC, you'll find your iDevice as portable device. Then enter the portable device and go to internal storage to find DCIM. This is the place where all your photos and video are stored. Now select the ones you want to transfer and copy them to your computer. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then enter Apple ID and click iCloud. Now enable iCloud backup. For iOS 18 or earlier devices, go to Settings and then click on iCloud to get the backup option. Download the iCloud on your Windows PC and log in to the iCloud account. Select the option and content you want from the interface and click Apply. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.